and welcome to this morning's video. Hope you are doing well. It is another early start, but we are back on the boat. Now this week, well, we're putting it all together. We have seats, we have console, we have electronics, all sorts of stuff to put on, and we have an engine waiting. Yes, so we've got quite a lot of work to do in the next couple of days, so we are going to get cracking. Let's have a look. Plancraft, you have done us proud. Thank you very much. Really nice job. Ooh, dark in there. I thought I'd show you what seats we have got, what jockey seats we've got. You've seen the bench seat, which is from Plancraft, and we are really happy with that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And also, we have had the jockey seats from Ribworld/Humber, whichever one you want to call them. And these are fantastic. Need a little bit of a clean because I've got dust all over them. But nice lightweight, very strong, nice material actually on the seat itself, the nice upholstery, and with a side hatch for storage. We're very happy with that. Thank you, Humber. So Dan has just made this fuel sender. This is where the fuel gets filled. This is a breather pipe which will get attached to the other side of the console. This is where the fuel pickup line is, and this is the fuel gauge float. If we turn it round, so this is the float, this is the pickup, filler and breather. What a good job he's done there, hasn't he? So what have we done here? We've just masked out all the stuff that where it's going to be cut. So in the sides you've got your fuel fillers with your breathers at the top, and on the front obviously you've got your steering wheel, GPS, and all other gubbins that have got to go on. So we've masked it out. One, you can draw on the masking easy, and two, it stops it from splintering when you actually cut it. So yeah, that's why we've masked it out. I don't want it there.
Too late.
So the icom radio is going there. switching unit here, and throttle is going here. Obviously you can see the steering wheel. Fuel gauges are going here. The Suzuki control panel there. And here's the raymarine chart plotter. Recap on today, we have done sorted out the fuel tanks, sorted out the fuel hoses and things like that, fuel fillers, fuel breathers, and we've put the console on, marked out where everything's going, and it's also installed the steering wheel itself. Obviously that's not plumbed in yet, but it is on there, which is all that matters. Now he is just scribing out where the raymarine GPS is going, and just to make a mark on it, ready for tomorrow, ready for cutting out, and yeah, things are moving on. Quite a lot's happened today. I'm very, very happy. More tomorrow. See you then. Hello and welcome to day 2. We're starting the day off by a trip to Screwfix. Basically we need tech screws to put the tubes on, and I have bought stainless steel, and we put basically around what holds the tubes on are strips of aluminium. I didn't know, but I do now. Stainless reacts with aluminium, so can't put stainless steel screws in. So I'm going to go and buy normal tech screws with rubber washers. Let's go get them. Well, we've clicked and collected at Screwfix, got what we needed, so back to the workshop. So it is now time to get the tubes on. We've moulded them on for now, and I've got one fixing in the front just to hold it. We're going to now inflate the tubes just so we can get at the bottom row of, basically we're putting these in. And we're inflating them just so we get access underneath to the bottom rail, and then fix them on, then fix the insides on.
You need to do an introduction about you measured it. I'm going off your measurements.
Yeah, I measured.
You can't use a tape measure.
I made the measurements for this underbox that we put in before the deck went in, and now I'm nervous because he's marked out the hatch. And I'm hoping I've got the measurements right. We could have used the hole saw, but that's me giving up. I can't do that. Let's hope it's right. Yes! How close?
That close?
Hey, the measurement was right though, wasn't it?
There's a box there.
So hatches are cut in, and now we're just deflating the tubes because now we've got to paint the parts of the deck where the seats are going, and also just a little bit more under the tubes, just to make sure everything's covered. And then once everything's on, we can get it stuck down, screwed down, and that'll be it for today. Basically, we have been putting flow coat on where the seats are going to go, apart from where the sticker flex will be, just to create a waterproof coat on the floor before we put the seats down. And we're now putting the inside bars of the tubes on, as you can see. We've also put the bung in, very important, and because I have forgotten before not to put the bung in. There was fish inside the boat. Always remember your bung. Hence why we now put a bung. Have you got your bung inside on the console? There will be one of them put on. Even we forget. It's funny when we do them. So after those 2 days, I think we're going to call it from here. I would show you more of the boat, but I think we're going to save that for the next time. Keep you watching, eh? So for now, we will see you. Please subscribe. Please do all the things that you need to do and all that jazz. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.